Good morning from Resilience Ridge, where the moon is so bright and gorgeous this morning. You can see the outline of the full of the moon. Imagine if we went out with the Artemis too. Oh, maybe we'll do that in meditation. Imagine if we were able to go and clearly see this amazing thing called the moon, up close and personal. Or if we're able to turn around and see our beautiful little planet full of potential for love and healing and grace and kindness, forgiveness. Oh, and the good stuff like health care for all, like they've just done in Mexico and many other countries. Humanitarianism, love. We're all human beings. We're all spirits in earth suits. So as the West Coast awakens, beginning to hear the birds. A few bats are still flying. And breathe deep and synchronize yourself with the resonance of the heartbeat of the world. And send love from your heart, your high heart, to the rest of humanity. Not only the men's of the humanity, but the women. Humanity as in overarching, all included, every single one of us. Blessings. Have a beautiful day. Check out some nature around you. Build your resilience.